Start.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في القرآن المجيد ورتل القرآن ترتيلا قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Zuha and
Assalamu
Zia.
alaikum. Now can I start? Yes, sir.
Zuha and
Yes,
Zia.
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
keep mute.
He's reading on the bed.
I told you to
So
mute,
may we
and
start?
only those who will raise hands, I will choose someone. Yeah, Zuha.
Yes, sir. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في القرآن المجيد ورتل القرآن ترتيلا قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Wa
Now can I
barakatuh.
start?
Meenal, told you don't speak. And if you have to say something, raise your hands. You don't understand this thing? You're still doing indiscipline? Now Azhar Nisa will speak. Say it.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Al-Islam.
Nahmadu. Sir, can I start?
Yes.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ورتل القرآن خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Why are there a lot of mistakes? And not a problem with the mistake. That's good that you are trying. Inshallah ta'ala, you will get fixed. But I told you, you need to have the etiquettes of online class. You don't have to speak up using, on the camera. When you want to say something, raise your hands. Don't
Sorry,
speak
sir.
up. Listen, if everybody starts speaking, then it will become like a fish market. So we have to, get some control here. So the thing is that if anybody wants to say it, raise your hand, put up the message, and hopefully we will do that. Don't raise hand like this. Raise your hands on the software, on the app itself. Let me admit few people are coming. Muhammad Aman Khan, who is this?
So
Muhammad,
me,
yes. Why? What are you saying? What we have to read? I'm 2 minutes late. Is
Sir, I was 2 minutes late, so I don't know what you guys were reading.
nothing. We start now these things. That's it. Okay, mute.
Oh.
Okay, one more guy because there are few kids coming. I want those who have not read, those who have not started this thing. Can anyone raise hands who has not, who has yet to start?
sir, I didn't start.
You have started one, Zach. Raise down your hand. Fatima Zur. Yes. Now start. Fatima.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في القرآن المجيد ورتل القرآن ترتيلا قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, give me space. My legs are a little tired today. Okay. Where's the pen? Okay, let's get started now. Those who have not yet, spoken about these things and all, who has not started this thing, we'll do it tomorrow, maybe. Let me share the screen now. You have to do one thing. Listen, what I'm saying.
25 words.
You have to do one thing, that you have to jot down the important points. Then don't scratch your head. Sit straight. You have to jot down the important points. Then be active when I ask questions. Answer that, and then at the end you have to send actually the audio message. So that means when I send the audio message, you have to send the audio message. You can send only when you actually have understood the lecture. You have because if you this audio message kind of a thing will dramatically increase your concentration in the class. So that for that, if you have to send the audio message, for that you have to understand the class. So that for that you have to take small notes, jot it down on a copy, small notes while I'm teaching. So this will give you a tremendous amount of that concentration in the class. This is a technique where you will stay glued with the class. But if you're not active, okay, you're talking with someone like Shasmin Bilal is talking with somebody else, so that way you will not learn, right? So you have to be focused what I'm saying. Each and every word you focus on that, and you understand what I'm saying. Okay, then you write down a little bit, and then you sum up the
Assalamu
lecture.
alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam. Then you sum up the lecture in the audio message. So every day, all of the guys, 27 people here, 27 students have to give the audio message. This will have multi-pronged, benefits. One benefit is you will concentrate in class. Second benefit is your expression will grow day by every day. Number third, presentation skills will increase. Okay, your language will increase. So you should also listen to others, what others are saying.
iPhone.
Who is this iPhone? iPhone, why are you getting noise from this side? Okay. Now, you got my point what I'm saying? Say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the rules I said is, number one, keep discipline, not like to show off, but you कि आप ऐसे ही हो. जैसे कोई सोना होता है ना, हीरा होता है, उसके ऊपर कितनी भी गर्द आप डालेंगे, कुछ भी कर लेंगे, लेकिन वो हीरा चमकता है. उसका काम ही है चमकना, वो इंट्रिंसिक है. अगर आप किसी चीज़ में पॉलिश लगाओगे, फिर उसको चमकाओगे, फिर थोड़ी सी गर्द आ जाएगी, वो पॉलिश हट जाएगी, वो नहीं रहेगा चमक, क्योंकि वो उसकी क्वालिटी नहीं है. तो आपको एक हीरे की तरह बनना है जो कि इंट्रिंसिकली ब्राइट है. ये नहीं है कि सर ने बोला, इतना सारा बोल के भी आधे बच्चे जो है बदतमीजी करते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं बनना है. आपको सचमुच का गोल्ड ही बनना है. यू हैव टू टेल एवरीबडी दैट आई एम लाइक ए जेवल, आई एम लाइक ए डायमंड. मेरी जो शाइन है ना, वो मेरी अपनी है, वो पॉलिश की हुई, किसी की पॉलिश नहीं लगाई हुई है. ये मेरी अपनी खुद की है. ठीक है ना? जैसे किसी को स्टार है, उसको अपनी लाइट है ना. तो अगर जो मून जो होता है उसको अपनी लाइट नहीं है, लेकिन अगर उसको हटाएंगे लाइट, वो डल है. मून इज अ डल एक्चुअली. जो मून की जो लाइट है ना, वो असल में किसी स्टार की लाइट वो रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to make yourself shining like a diamond, जो कि इंट्रिंसिक है. किसी के बोलने से वो अच्छा नहीं बनेगा. किसी ने बोला भाई आप चुप करो, नहीं, आपको खुद समझ होनी चाहिए कि मुझे किस तरीके से बात करनी चाहिए, मुझे बड़ों के साथ कैसे बात करनी है. ठीक है ना? मुझे क्लास के अंदर क्या बैठना है, कैसे बैठना. दिस कॉल्ड एटिकेट्स. व्हाट इज कॉल्ड? इट्स कॉल्ड आप खाना खाने बैठे फैमिली के साथ, यू हैव सिट ऑन द टेबल क्लॉथ, You sit on the tablecloth, and you are actually, you need to have the etiquettes of taking the bapa. You need to have etiquettes of drinking, etiquettes of talking, etiquettes of walking. आधे लोग जो होते हैं वो वल्गर होते हैं. No, some people, animal जो है ना, animal, एक गाय बकरी से गुपन यथ कश्मीर पे बनाए से गुपन कहाँ से ना गुपन गुपनस ने इंसानस में क्या
Yes, sir.
फर्क? What is the difference
Yes, sir.
between what is the difference
So
between an
that
animal?
we are having been
We're having
The discipline.
Have
we eat with
etiquette, having brain.
the
Sir,
articles,
etiquette and
uh,
brain.
Yes,
etiquettes and
things that show that we are
sum
more
total we can say,
educated.
sum total we can say the discipline. If the cow doesn't have a discipline, and if you don't have a discipline, then what you are? You're an animal. You are not more than an animal. You have to understand yourself. So make yourself what? You have to
A
make
human being.
yourself a shining star which has intrinsic
Shining star.
light. आपसे दूसरे नसीहत लेने चाहिए, ऐसा बनना है. आपको सुन रहे हो मेरी बात? आपसे दूसरे जो है ना नसीहत लेने चाहिए कि भैया बैठना ऐसे होता है, बात करने ऐसे होती है. जैसे अहमद जैक को देख के बोलेंगे, देखिए जो अहमद जैक जिस तरह बात करता है ना, तो आपको भी ऐसे बात करनी चाहिए. वो हो गया बंदा, वो हो गया स्टूडेंट. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो आप चाहे पढ़ाई करो, ये सिर्फ कुरान क्लास की बात नहीं है. इट इज अबाउट योर स्टडीज, इट्स अबाउट एवरीथिंग अबाउट यू. It's about your sports, it's about your character, it's about your everything. About this class is everything about you. This is not just a Quran class. It is not just it's a holistic education where it is everything about you. So आपसे नसीहत लेनी चाहिए कि देखो कोई फर्स्ट पोजीशन आता है, आपको क्यों नहीं आएगी? किसी की इंग्लिश जबरदस्त है, आपकी क्यों नहीं है? किसी की हैंडराइटिंग अच्छी है, आपकी क्यों नहीं है? मतलब क्यों नहीं है? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. यू शुड चैलेंज योरसेल्फ कि मेरी क्यों नहीं है, मैं क्यों बेस्ट नहीं हूं. आप जिधर भी जाओ, आप कोई भी काम करो, फाइटिंग क्लब जाओ, कराटे खेलो, आप क्रिकेट खेलो, आप डिबेट के मैदान में जाओ, आप डिसिप्लिन के मैदान में हो, आप कैरेक्टर के मामले में हो, आपसे आगे कोई जाना नहीं चाहिए. सो यानी कि किसी आपको बेस्ट रहना है. वो कब बनेगा? व्हेन यू बिकम दैट डायमंड विच हैज अ लाइट इनसाइड. सो जब आपके अंदर जो आपके अंदर जो है ना माइंडसेट बनेगा, यू रिवायर योर ब्रेन, तब जाके बात बनेगी, वरना बात नहीं बनेगी. वरना मैं समझाता रहूंगा कि भैया आपको कैमरा के साथ जो है ना खेलना नहीं है, आपको एक जगह बैठना, आप नहीं मानोगे क्योंकि आपका इंट्रेंसिक नहीं है. मैं पॉलिश कितनी भी करूं आपको, जब कोई डल बंदा है उसको कितनी भी पॉलिश करे वो नहीं समझेगा ना. बात समझ आई? एक गधा है,
Yes,
उसको
sir.
अकल नहीं है. देखो एक गधा है, वन इज अ डोंकी. इफ समबडी इज अ डोंकी लाइक अ डोंकी, मैं उसको कितना भी समझाऊं, उसके ऊपर पॉलिश करे, वो नहीं समझेगा ना. वो डोंकी है, वो इंट्रिंसिकली डोंकी है, उसके पास दिमाग है नहीं. लेकिन जो बंदा जो है समझदार होगा, अक्लमंद बच्चा होगा, वो पूरे इलाके में अपनी लाइट डालेगा. उसकी लाइट जो लब पे आती है, दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी है ना, उसको पढ़ के मीनिंग देखना चाहिए. वो अल्लामा इकबाल
Yes, sir.
क्या चाहते हैं.
Yes, sir.
इस आप से जो है रोशन होगा. जहां आपके क्लास में आप हो, आप अपने क्लास को रोशन करोगे, आप अपनी फैमिली को रोशन करोगे, आप अपने नेबरहुड को रोशन करोगे. लेकिन अगर कोई गधा है, उसको कितनी भी पॉलिश करें, उसको बोलें कि भाई एटिकेट्स रखने हैं, आपको तमीज़ होनी चाहिए क्लास में बैठने की, लेकिन गधा सुधरने वाला थोड़ी ना है, वो तो गधा है ना. आपको डिसाइड करना है कि क्या आप खुदा ना खास्ता गधे हो, या आप एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत ज़हीन और निहायत ही फैंटास्टिक स्टूडेंट हो. ठीक है ना? यू हैव टू प्रूव योर सेल्फ, यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? हैविंग सेड दैट, लेट अस स्टार्ट. सो मैंने कहा कि आप नोट्स बनाएंगे छोटे छोटे, लेक्चर को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, ग्रास्प द लेक्चर. ठीक है ना? व्हेन यू ग्रास्प द लेक्चर, देन पुट अप दैट थिंग, एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट इन एन ऑडियो मैसेज. ऑडियो मैसेज गलत भी क्यों ना हो. लिसन, लुक इनटू माय आईज, लुक इनटू माय आईज, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. ऑडियो जो आप मैसेज डालोगे, it should be in English firstly, because you have to have a control in this. You don't have to see like me. I'm not saying you see my eyes, I'm saying these guys. So I'm saying look at my eyes, means concentrate at me. that when you send an audio message, it may not be great. Don't worry about it. But once you start, every day you will, because every day you have to send it, no? So that means every day you are excelling. Got it? So don't worry about it. It was not so good. It was not that good. I will not send. English नहीं आती. Don't worry. Once you start sending. ये खराब क्यों ना हो, आप खुद करेक्ट करोगे. अच्छा ये गलत था, अच्छा ये ठीक था, अच्छा मैंने आज ऐसा किया, ठीक है ना? It was not that great, but eventually एक मंथ के बाद आपकी स्टोरी ही डिफरेंट होगी. इसलिए अगर मैं आपको बोलता हूँ ऑडियो मैसेज डालना, अगर यहाँ पे 30 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ऑल द 30 हैव टू सेंड इट. अगर आप नहीं भेज रहे हो तो दिस इज एन हाईएस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ इनडिसिप्लिन. डू अंडरस्टैंड? सो फिर वही गधे वाली बात कि आप गधे हो या कि आप एक फैंटास्टिक स्टूडेंट हो, आप खुद डिसाइड कर लो. ठीक है? ओके, दैट्स नाइस. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे, कॉपीज रेडी है ना? नोट्स लगा देना. हमने कल
Yes, sir.
कहा कि
Yes, sir.
जो तजवीद है, it is has how many components?
4 components.
4 components.
4 components. Very good. It has 4 components.
4 components.
Number one.
Makharij.
Let me ask someone. Everybody mute. Everybody mute. Everybody mute. Let me ask someone. Let me ask first the Zan. Yes, Zan. You start with you.
We have Makharij and Sifat.
So we read about 2 yesterday. Makharij and Sifat.
Sifat.
Zoya Gauhar. What is makhraj? What is makharij? Means plural of the makhraj. What is makhraj?
Where sound comes from, articulation points from letters.
Very good. Articulation point. That means where from the sound comes. And I told you that the trick for that is you put alif in the front and the letter. Any letter you want to see, what is the makhraj? For example, I say ha. So put alif in front. So it becomes ah. So it's the Y stuck in my throat. So the articulation point is throat. Ab. So if I say ba, ab. So it is on the lips. At. So it's getting in the teeth. And so on. So it's again going on my lips. So these are my articulation points. We'll see those articulation points one by one later on. And the second part of the tajweed is sifat. Okay? And singular is sifat. Sifat al-haruf. So Shasmin, what do you mean by the sifat?
The Sifat is the Sifat. Character sketch of letters.
What?
Character sketch of letters
What do you
or
mean
qualities.
character sketch क्या होता है?
Qualities.
Characteristics.
Sorry.
Say it again.
Characteristics. So
Characteristics.
characteristics of letters.
Not sticks.
That means
Characteristics.
qualities.
Say it again. Stop and listen. Characteristics. Say it.
Characteristics
Of the haruf or the qualities of the haruf. So what does that mean? Quality of an haruf? Anybody give me the example? Anyone give me the example?
May I?
Don't say me. I told you. No voices. Only raise hands. Malika, say it.
Ha and ha, they both have same makharij, but they have different sifat, so they both sound different.
Makharij is plural, huh? Makharaj. Yeah, they both have same makharaj, but sifat is different. Very good. एक को थोड़ा सा मोटा पढ़ना पड़ेगा, एक को हल्का पढ़ना पड़ेगा, तो different. So यही हमने rule कल बताया था. Let me share on the screen. That's great. Keep it on.
We're already sharing.
Oh, I'm already sharing the screen. So we said there are 4 building blocks of the. Listen carefully. Where to get a pen? We got 4 building blocks of the tajweed. Okay. Now, Arika and Arifa, you want to say something? Arika and Arifa, you want to say something? Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we say, first of all, we have what is called as the makhraj.
Makhari.
Everybody, hands down. Don't raise hands. So makhrij or makharij, or we say makhraj. Makhraj is singular, makharij is plural. It means the articulation point. It means the place where sound comes from. Like kha, it comes from the throat. And I said, you put up the alif in front and the kha on the back. Now read it. Akh, akh, akh. So it's coming in the throat. Aq, ab, ab. It's coming in the lips. Aq, aq. Now you say ab, aq. It comes on the back of the tongue. Ah, it comes on the middle of the throat. ये चीज हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. And second thing we have is what is called as sifat. What's called as sifat. And single sifat is plural and single is sifat. So sifat al-haruf, यानी कि सारे जो हरूफ हैं उनके सिफात या हम सिफत कहेंगे अगर हम एक की बात करेंगे. It means the characteristics of letters or qualities of letters. Okay, so it will tell us how to actually pronounce it. So some are some are, for example, some are strong, say maybe, right? Some you have to read it soft. Okay, some are soft, some echo, for example. Yeah, can anyone old student tell me the letters which get kalkala? Yes, Zan. Yes. Of. Okay. It's called, very good. It's called Qutub Jad.
Sir, they are called Qutub letters.
Very good. Now what happened with them is you get an echo. You get what?
Eco.
Sir, I have one question.
Like for example, we got lahab. Say we have tabbat yada abi lahabin wa tab. So ba, dimag rukho yahan pe. Ba, it's got an echo. So this echo you are getting on a ba, it comes in the sifat. It comes in what?
Two times.
It comes in the sifat, right? Okay, 1 second. Hey, yaar, kya masla hai? Close this. Okay. Now look here. Pay attention. Like for example, we say Kullu wallahu ahad. याद है ना सबको?
Yes, sir.
Is screen visible? Is
Yes,
screen
sir. Yes, sir.
visible? So we say Kul huwallahu. Now it is the dal. Dal comes in qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. So dal will get the qalqala. Dal will get what? This qalqala comes in the sifat. Comes in the
is not.
So sometimes you read it with the soft, sometimes you read it like za and dhal. Dhal you write soft, za. You read it, in a in harder mode. Like seen. Then you have a rounded sword. So there are different characteristics or qualities of every letter which distinguish them from the other letter. Like we said the ha and we said this ha. Both have the same articulation point. So both have same articulation point, which is the halq. Okay, but there the characteristic of ha is different and this ha is different. This is ha and this is ha. So for example, this ha comes in rahib, and if you read this ha, then the whole meaning will be wrong. So be quiet. Everybody be quiet. When I'm talking, you should listen. When I'm talking the concept, you should listen. Don't have etiquettes. How many times I have to teach this thing? So listen carefully. And if anybody has to say something, say in the chat box and raise your hand. Okay? But when I'm explaining the concept, you should understand when I'm explaining the concept, you should stay quiet and stay glued to the screen. Okay? Yes, what was the question now? First tell me.
Sir, me, I had a question.
Why is Rais Nisa saying sir in the message box? And another two, I don't know what they are saying.
So I had the same question.
Be quiet one second. Rais Nisa, why are you disturbing in the do you have a question?
Yes, sir.
What is the question?
The screen was not visible.
The screen is not visible. It is from your side. We have internet issue, beta. Because अगर मेरे side होता ना तो फिर सबको ही नहीं होता ना. तो आपको
Sir,
दिख
we
रहा है
could see the screen.
Baba Hamza, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that means जिसको screen visible नहीं है उसके
sir.
side issue है. अगर मेरे side issue होता ना तो वो सबको ही नहीं
Sir,
आता ना.
now.
तो किसी को जिसको स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा ना वो एक बार स्क्रीन कैमरा बंद करे फिर खोले तो उसमें उनको फिर आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना? Okay. Now look here. Yes, Zach.
That's not Qutb Jad. You said Qaf Tawajin, then I think that's the spelling of Qutb Jad.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So now be quiet. Now we said the golden rule is that if we have a makhraj, if we have what?
Same makhraj plus different
And we have a different sifat, we get a different. So only makhraj will not pronounce, cannot pronounce a letter with only makhraj, but you also need to have the sifat together that you can pronounce any letter. So you have a ta, for example. You first need to know what is the articulation point, and second, you need to know what is the characteristics, sifat of this ta. Then and only then you can pronounce it properly. So that is why we have to learn from alif, ba, and everything. It's firstly the makhraj, and second, it's sifat. Right?
Yes.
Now we come to the third. Well, now we come to the third part, which is called kawaid. That is rules of recitation. Everybody say me. Kawaid. Rules of recitation.
Rules of
recitation.
So kawaid is again plural. Okay. Qaida. You know, qaida is a singular. Kawaid is the plural. So kawaid means the rules of recitation. For example, we have what is called as the, one second. For example, we have the noon, we have the meme, we have the mushadda, we have means, we have a lot of things which we have to read about. Okay, those all like meme sakin, noon sakin, tanween. For example, there is a ba on top of it is two da, or bottom is two kasra, or on the top is two damma. I will talk about everything about it later when we start these rules. Okay, now these all rules comes in the kawaid. So you not only need to know the makhraj, you need to know the sifat, you also need to know the kawaid. So how many? We got three things now. We got three things. One is makhraj, kawaid. But you need to remember. Actually, there are only three things. That's kawaid. Mad will also come in a kawaid, but we keep it as a separate. Mad we keep it separate because it's very important. Okay. Otherwise, mad also comes in kawaid, and tajweed rules are sound rules. It's not a grammar. So grammar is different. Okay, it's a sound rules that how you pronounce a letter, how you pronounce a letter comes in the kawaid. And fourth is mad. Mad is stretching like a rubber band. You want to stretch it. Maybe you stretch something as a 2 counts, that means 2 seconds, or a 4 counts, or a 6 counts, or a
10 counts.
yeah, 10 counts is also good. You can also have a 10 counts. That's right. Okay. Say for example, look at this here. So we have here, for example, I'll give you just a glimpse so that the old students may understand it, but the new ones will not. Now look here. Here you see the alif. Okay. and here also you see the alif. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
you will not pronounce this. This will be silent. You will pronounce this. So that's why we say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil. So this alif is not pronounced.
Alam.
Now don't sleep. Now has a dagger alif on it, so you'll elongate it 2 counts. Now this ya, can some old student tell me about, sit straight now, how many times I tell you? You don't understand? Now there is a ya. Any student tell me how you pronounce this ya and what is this ya? The old one?
Ya mad.
Yeah.
So it's a ya madda. So will you pronounce it as ya? Will you pronounce it as ya?
No.
No.
So it is a
You will pronounce it as what?
E.
Very good, sir.
We just taught that last class.
Yeah.
So here it is Hamzatul Fasl.
Yes. Say this is called, this is not even the alif, it is the Hamzatul Wasl. So what does that mean? We'll understand that later.
What the
So right now. Now what I am saying is we have the 4 rules. Okay, so therefore this book has to be divided into 4 parts. Okay, in fact it will be 3 parts only, not 4 parts, because 4th mad we said is actually it comes in a qawaid. So first is what?
Makharij.
Makharij को मैं A भी लिख रहा हूँ. What does that mean? इसको मैं A क्यों लिख रहा हूँ? You're not listening. You're not listening. I am saying makharij को मैं A लिख रहा हूँ. Why A?
Because
Articulation point of letter.
इसका क्या मतलब है कि साउंड कहाँ से आ रहा है? लेटर का साउंड कहाँ से आ रहा है? ओके, सेकंड कौन सा मेरा है? सिफात. सिफात से क्या होगा? उसको मैं सी लिख रहा हूँ. What does C mean? Characteristics of letter. Every letter, for example, you have a swad and you have a seen, you have a seen bara and you have a swad bara. It's totally different. It is sabr, it is sabr. So there is a different in sifat to pronounce a letter. But do you need only these 2? No, sir. We need a 3rd one. What is that? Qawaid. What is qawaid means? Qawaid means
Rules of recitation.
And the 4th is madud. Mad is singular, madud is plural. So you have a madud. And madud के लिए हम S इस्तेमाल करें. What is S?
Stretching letters.
Very good, mashallah. So we got it. I think we got it. Stop sharing. Come back. So I think everybody, we can have a handsome start. If you understood this thing, we can have a handsome start by tomorrow. Okay? We can have a handsome start of the makharij firstly. Which one? Qawaid means rules of recitation. Rules of recitation में हमने कहा कि आपको, for example, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, साकिन है नून, तनवीन है, मीम साकिना है, मद है, रा को अलग पढ़ना है, किसी को लंबा करना है, कहीं पे कुछ है, कहीं पे तनवीन का नाक से आवाज निकालनी है. So ये सारी चीजें जो है ना, वो हमें रूल्स ऑफ रेसिटेशन में आएगा. अभी आपको पूरा क्लियर नहीं होगा. जब हम ये प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे तो फिर आपको ये समझ में आएगा. So we got 4 parts of tajweed. So what does the tajweed firstly mean? What is tajweed? Muhammad Aman Khan, what do you mean by tajweed?
Sir, what do I mean by tajweed?
Yes.
Yes, is that the question? Sir, tajweed means Quran, reading Quran in a flow, we can say.
No,
Reading
it has
Quran.
been derived from a word jawwada. Jawwada means to make it beautiful. To make
Beautiful.
something.
Then means also beautiful.
So tajweed means
We should recite Quran.
making recitation beautiful. So to make the tajweed beautiful, we need to learn, it's a science. We need to learn 4 sciences. So number 1, Maryam. Everybody mute. इसमें बताऊंगा वो बोलेगा सिर्फ. Maryam, open up the mic, Maryam.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, the first thing is
Yes, has come.
Meenal, mute.
Yes, sir.
Maryam, tell me what is the first part of the tajweed?
Makharij.
Very good, mashallah. Makharij. And singular is makhraj. What does that mean?
It means the articulation point.
What is that meaning? Articulation point. I'm unpad. मेरे को नहीं पता समझ आता अंग्रेजी.
And
Articulation point क्यों होता है? मैंने समझ नहीं आ रहा यार. मैं तो गाँव का आदमी हूँ. समझाओ ना मुझे.
from where sound come.
और फिर से अंग्रेजी बोला इसने. ठीक है जी. That is right. That is तुसी ठीक हो. अब मुझे बताएगा बयान बासित. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे बिल्ली निकली है इसमें से. बयान बासित. How are you? अब क्या हाल है आपके? आप ठीक हो बच्चा? तो अब बोलो दूसरा क्या है हमारे पास?
सर क्या?
अरे यार मुझे लग रहा है तू कैट है वहां से म्याऊं करेगा. मैं बोल रहा हूँ दूसरा क्या है? दूसरा पार्ट ऑफ द तजवीद. Oh, Zainab made a notes. That's nice. वो भी मेरे ग्रैंडफादर के पेपर्स में. Don't laugh. बयान बासित दूसरा क्या पार्ट है तजवीद का? आपने दूध पिया?
He's not strong.
Okay, Sahra Fatima.
Bayan Basit is my classmate.
Sahra Fatima. बच्चा बोलो सेकंड पार्ट.
सिफात.
शाबाश. सिफात. बयान बासित दिमाग रखो. पहला मखारिज था, आर्टिकुलेशन पॉइंट था जिससे बता रहा था साउंड कहां से निकलेगा. और दूसरा है सिफात. सिफात का मतलब क्या होता है? अबे सटीक वटीक नहीं बोलना, सीधे बोलना. क्या है?
So can I see what does that mean?
शाबाश. कैरेक्टर.
Characteristics.
Heuristics.
सहरा फातिमा आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आ रही.